Hello everyone, and a very happy Diwali to you all. Ever wondered what this dazzling festival of lights is truly about? Why do millions of homes sparkle with lamps and the air fill with joy and laughter? Well, today we're diving deep into the heart of Diwali, exploring its ancient stories, profound meanings, and the beautiful traditions that make it so special. This isn't just about fireworks and sweets. It's a journey from darkness to light, a celebration of good triumphing over evil, and a time for inner reflection and renewal. So grab a cup of chai, get comfortable, and let's embark on this illuminating journey together to uncover the true spirit of Diwali. First, let's travel back in time. The most famous story connected to Diwali is the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom of Ayodhya. After a grueling 14-year exile and a heroic battle to rescue his wife Sita from the clutches of the demon king Ravana, Rama's homecoming was a momentous occasion. To welcome their beloved king and queen, the people of Ayodhya lit countless diyas or oil lamps, turning the darkest night into a day of celebration. This beautiful act symbolizes the victory of righteousness or dharma over adharma or evil. Every lamp we light today is a nod to that ancient victory, a reminder that light will always conquer the darkness and goodness will always prevail. But the story of Rama is just one of the many facets of Diwali. This 5-day festival is a rich tapestry woven with different legends and traditions across India. In some parts of the country, Diwali celebrates the day Lord Krishna defeated the demon Narakasura, freeing thousands of people from his tyranny. This is another powerful tale of good versus evil. In other regions, the festival is dedicated to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. It's believed that on the night of Diwali, she visits the cleanest and brightest homes to bless them with fortune for the year ahead. This is why you'll see everyone meticulously cleaning their homes, decorating them with intricate rangoli patterns, and of course, lighting up every corner. It's a way of creating a welcoming and pure space, not just for a goddess, but for positive energy and prosperity to enter our lives. So Diwali is actually a 5-day extravaganza, and each day has its own unique significance. The festival kicks off with Dhanteras. Dhan means wealth, and Teras refers to the 13th lunar day. On this day, it's traditional to buy something new, especially precious metals like gold or silver, or even new utensils for the kitchen. This isn't just about materialism. It's a symbolic gesture of welcoming wealth and good fortune into our homes for the coming year. It sets a tone of abundance and preparation for the main event. The second day is known as Naraka Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali, which means small Diwali. This day is linked to the story of Lord Krishna's victory over Narakasura. It's a day for early morning rituals, often involving special baths with aromatic oils to cleanse the body and soul, symbolically washing away impurities and sins. It's like a final spiritual spring cleaning before the grand celebration of Diwali itself. It's a day of anticipation, with the final touches being put on decorations and sweets being prepared. Then comes the third and main day, Diwali itself. This is the day dedicated to the worship of goddess Lakshmi. Families gather together in the evening for the Lakshmi Puja, an elaborate prayer ceremony. They offer flowers, sweets, and heartfelt prayers, seeking her blessings for health, wealth, and happiness. After the puja, the real magic begins. Homes, streets, and entire cities are illuminated with rows of diyas, candles, and fairy lights. This act of lighting lamps is the very essence of the festival, representing the inner light that protects us from spiritual darkness and the triumph of knowledge over ignorance. And of course, this is when families share gifts and sweets, and the sky lights up with fireworks celebrating the joyous occasion. The fourth day is Govardhan Puja. This day commemorates another story of Lord Krishna. Legend says he lifted the massive Govardhan hill with his little finger to protect the villagers of Vrindavan from the torrential rains sent by an angry Lord Indra. To honor this feat, people build small mounds of ore food, representing the hill, and worship it. It's a beautiful symbol of gratitude towards nature and a reminder of how faith can move mountains literally. This day emphasizes the importance of nature and having faith in a divine protector. Finally, the fifth day, Baiduj, concludes the festival. This day celebrates the special bond between brothers and sisters. Bai means brother, and Duj is the second day after the new moon. On this day, sisters pray for the long life and well-being of their brothers, applying a tilak or mark on their foreheads. In return, brothers give gifts to their sisters and promise to protect them. It's a heartwarming celebration of sibling love, strengthening family ties and ending the grand festival on a note of pure affection and togetherness. Beyond the stories and rituals, what is the deeper, personal meaning of Diwali? It's a time for introspection. The external cleaning of our homes is a metaphor for cleaning our own minds and hearts. It's a chance to get rid of negativity, forgive past grievances, and let go of the darkness within like anger, jealousy, and ignorance. Lighting a diya is not just a physical act, it's a symbolic one. It represents igniting the light of knowledge, wisdom, and compassion within ourselves. Each flame is a reminder to be a source of light in the world, to spread kindness, and to lead a life of truth and goodness. It encourages us to look inward, reflect on our actions, and resolve to be better human beings. In a world that can often feel divided and dark, Diwali brings a universal message of hope, unity, and optimism. It's a festival that transcends religious and cultural barriers, celebrated by people of many faiths worldwide. Its message is simple yet profound. No matter how dark the night gets, a single lamp can bring light. It reminds us that every individual has the power to overcome challenges and to be a beacon of hope for others. It's about celebrating community, strengthening bonds with family and friends, and sharing joy. The act of exchanging sweets and gifts is more than just a tradition. It's an expression of love and goodwill, fostering a sense of togetherness and harmony. So as you see the lights this Diwali, remember the powerful stories and the profound philosophy behind them. It's more than just a festival. It's an opportunity for a fresh start, an opportunity to illuminate not just our homes, but our lives and the lives of those around us with love, kindness, and positivity. Let's make a promise to ourselves to carry this light within us throughout the year, to conquer our own inner demons, and to spread warmth and happiness wherever we go. Let the light of the diyas guide us towards a brighter and more peaceful future. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the heart of Diwali. I hope it has given you a deeper appreciation for this beautiful festival of lights. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy, prosperous, and luminous Diwali. May your life be filled with light and joy. See you in the next video.